Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a red bold lip look. I really enjoy wearing a red lip. I just feel like it's super sexy and it's a statement piece when you wear a red lip. So yeah, every time I wear a red lip, it just really lifts up my self-esteem. I want to share with you guys my take on a red bold look. If you're interested in this, keep watching. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you all are doing well. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so every time I do a red bold lip look, I just like to keep everything simple as far as my eye makeup. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a change as far as how I usually do my makeup routine, just because I know I'm not gonna have such a bold eye look and I won't have that much fallout. I'm gonna start off today by priming my face, and today I'm gonna just use this Tarte Poreless primer, and I just really enjoy using this because it's not super mattifying, but it just really enhances the skin nicely. So I'm just gonna get some primer and I am going to apply it to my T-zone. Okay, and just like that, I went ahead and applied my primer. Now I'm going to jump into my eyebrows, and today I'm just going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and this one's in the color dark brown. To apply this, I'm going to use my 7B Anastasia brush. And I'm just gonna really outline and fill in my brows. This is kind of a repetitive step because I pretty much do the same thing. Nothing really changes as far as my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna jump in, outline, and fill in with this Dip Brow Pomade. So I finished up my brows. I'm just gonna go in now and clean them up. And to do that, I'm gonna use my Hydrating e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have really been enjoying using this concealer lately. I think it's a really nice formula. And this one I have in the shade medium beige. I'm just gonna apply my concealer to a ColourPop E18 brush so I can just more precisely apply my concealer. Since the applicator on this one is a little bit on the thick side, I just like to apply it to a brush so that it can make it a little bit easier for me to clean up more precisely my brows. I'm just gonna drag the remaining concealer on my brush downwards towards my eyelid, so that at the same time I can go ahead and just prime my eyelid for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying shortly. Just like that, I cleaned up my eyebrows. Now I'm going to just go in and blend the concealer a little bit more on my eyelids, and to do that I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge just so that I can really blend this in here so that we can have a nice base to apply our eyeshadow. And once I'm done blending this out, I'm going to tap into my Airspun loose powder with my Real Technique sponge so that I can go in and set my eyelids. Now I'm going to jump in and start blending in the eyeshadow that I'm going to use today. And to do this, I am going to take out an old favorite of mine. It's the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I really like this palette. This is my OG palette. This is pretty much the very first high-end makeup palette that I bought, and let me tell you, like, this palette is my ride or die. It is such a universal and just such a pretty palette. So yeah, I'm gonna use this palette today. So today I'm gonna apply this shade right here. So I'm just gonna add that to my overall lid, and to do that I'm gonna use a Y16 Morphe brush. So I just tapped on it, and now I'm gonna apply it on all of my lid area just to really set the tone for the look. I'm not gonna use a lot of shade just so we can keep it toned down, as we are gonna add the red lip to the look. I just really want to make it very subtle, very neutral, but still pretty. And just like that, like I said, I'm not gonna really deepen up the color just because I want to keep it very neutral. I am gonna go in and apply some eye tapes because I am gonna do a wing liner. So let me just go ahead and apply these, and I'll be right back. So I applied my eye tapes. I'm gonna go in now and apply some wing liner. And today I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. happy with my eyeliner like this, I'm just gonna go in and remove the eye tapes now. And I'm gonna jump in and apply a quick coat of mascara. Today I'm gonna be using this Believe Beauty mascara. This is the High Drama Fiber mascara. And now I am gonna go in with a pair of falsies. Today I'm just gonna use these Kiss Pompadour style lashes. And to apply them, I'm gonna use the Kiss adhesive. So I'm just gonna prep these and let them set for a little bit so that the glue can get tacky, so that we can go on and apply the lashes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. I actually changed the style just because I felt like when I applied the other ones that I told you guys, a Pompadour Kiss lashes, but I just felt like I needed more of a dramatic eyelash for the look that I'm going for, since I don't really have much going on my eyes. So I did change them, and these are actually the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So yeah, I just went ahead and changed them because I felt like I needed something a little bit more dramatic. So yeah, I went with these. So now I'm just gonna go in and jump into foundation. And for today's look, I am gonna wear the Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation. This one is in the shade Honey Bronze. So I'm gonna apply this to the back of my hand so that I can apply it, since this one does not unfortunately have a pump. But it is such a good foundation, and I felt like with this look it would just go great because I need a really full coverage foundation. And I'm gonna apply my foundation with the Y6 brush from Morphe. Now I'm going to jump in and just conceal the rest of my face, and to do that I am going to use my same e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. To blend all of the concealer in, I'm going to go and use a damp Real Technique sponge. Now that my concealer is all blended, I'm going to go in and set it, and I'm going to use the same Airspun powder that I used earlier, and I'm just going to apply it to my damped Real Technique sponge. Okay, now that I've set my face, I'm going to go in and contour my cheeks, and to do that today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette. And I'm going to use my Y5 brush from Morphe. And I'm also going to apply some to my forehead area. And I'm just going to really get close to my hairline to ensure that we blend in the bronzer and that it doesn't look so harsh. And I'm just also going to use my Y8 brush. This is a little bit more of a dome brush so that I can really precisely apply the contour into just one area. So I'm just going to concentrate this right here so that I can really scope out the cheek. And with this brush, I'm just gonna run a little bit down my nose. I'm just gonna go in and apply some powder down my nose so that we can really define the contour. Now that I've done that, I'm also gonna clean up the side of my cheeks, and I'm just gonna take some powder on my Real Technique sponge, and I'm gonna run it down my cheek right under where I applied my contour. Just while we wait for all of this to set, I am gonna go in and apply some eyeshadow underneath my eyes so that we can really finish off the look. I'm gonna take this Y20 brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of the shade that we used to really set the under eye. And also I'm just gonna mix it with this shade up here, which is a little bit more dark, so that it can really smoke out the bottom of my eye. To clean up the rest of the powder left in my face, I am going to use my ColourPop F18 brush. So now I'm gonna go in and set my eyebrows. To do this, I'm gonna use my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the color Espresso. And now for the final touch that will totally complete the look for today, I'm going to go in with my lip product. And today I'm going to be using this MAC liquid lipstick in the color Retro Matte. This has a really nice applicator, and you really don't need a lip liner for this one because it's super intense as it is. This is definitely a true red color. So if you are looking for that, a true red in a liquid lipstick, I would really recommend this one because it's just stunning. The color is just super pretty. I really enjoy using this as my red lipstick. The applicator is just super easy to use. That's another of the things why I really like these liquid lipsticks from MAC. Okay, and now just to start finalizing the look, I am gonna go in and apply a quick coat of mascara to my lower lashes. And I'm just gonna use the same one that I used from Believe Beauty. And I'm gonna go in and set my makeup. To do that, I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus, and this one is in the lavender scent. And for highlighter today, I am going to use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. And I'm gonna use this brush to apply it with. I'm just gonna go in and fix my hair really quickly, and I'll come back so that we can finalize this video. Okay guys, so here you have it. This is a completed look. I loved how this looks. I really enjoy wearing a bold red lip color. I think we all need to wear this at least once because you can never go wrong with a bold red lip color. I think it just looks stunning. If you don't already have a red lipstick on your collection, definitely look out for your favorite shade. For me, this one does it. It's just super pretty. It is definitely a true red, and yeah, I definitely recommend it. So if you don't have one already, check out MAC and this Retro Matte liquid lipstick. I'm sure that you're gonna really enjoy this color. And yeah, this is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be plenty more videos coming your way. Leave me any feedback, any recommendations that you may have for upcoming videos in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you all are doing great. I loved hanging out with you again today. Be kind to one another and remember to stay scrumptious.